Alright, so we're going to be taking a quick look at the current B-47 model, which I have right here. And we'll just go through all the detail we've applied recently through time. And we started out with this little fuselage right here. I think I can highlight that. Nope, that highlights the whole thing. Anyway, start from here, then we added all the wings and stuff. And I believe it was our friend Air France that actually put in these engines right here. It's just a big collaboration project. As you can see, the engines are not completely done, but they're pretty close. We still need to put in the back end. He did an amazing job with the engines. If you look right there, we got the wheels. We still need to put in the wheel bays and stuff, and like I said, the engines aren't in the exact shape. They still need to be a little bit of a flat kind of arch right here. It'd go like that. Something like that. And under the plane aircraft right here, you can see we got, the wheels. Still need to add the bays though. Got front wheel, rear wheels, and we got the they're written down as training wheels and training support. Don't know if that's the official name for it though. It does kind of remind me of training wheels. I think the other plane with that is the B-52. Did they put that on the U-2? I think the U-2 just uses their wings. Kind of dangerous. Go to the back. We might add the gun back here. As you can see, there's supposed to be a gun. Let me just my mouse is dying right now. Why is it slow? Alright, anyway. Okay, there we go. Don't know what happened there. So you see right here. Just a second. Oh god, we're close. Right here, this is where I believe the only gun on the B-47 would be, right here. And I think that's the, no, hold on. Is that where the parachute deploys, or I think it's actually underneath it, right here. We might add a brake chute, just in case. That might be the X function instead of flaps. I mean, not the flaps, but the spoilers. But anyway, we're planning to work on the cockpit soon, which when we get working on that, would be right in here. I think I can actually slide right in there. Yeah. So what we will have to do is we'll have to block out all this stuff down here, kind of make a hole, so that way we'd have space to put the cockpit in, and try to figure out how to make that translucent, so that way you can see out from it. I did notice we're going to have to patch this little hole in the front of the aircraft right here. You can see right through it. And yeah, we're gonna have to fix that up. There's actually this one thing that comes up here. It's like two little bubbles. I don't really know what that's for. It's a very interesting aircraft. Like down here, we have this thing. I believe that's where the radio stuff is. So anyway, that's the current model. This is the one we test with. The earlier model was too big, like bigger than a 747. So oh god, we had to obviously fix that. It should roughly be the same size as the 737-200. And I saw one at the the Kansas Aviation Museum in Wichita, Kansas. They have two of these on display, and one sitting next to a 737-200. So that's how we figure out the size. And we will be continuing to work on this, hopefully daily. We have plans, and we'll keep you all updated on how it goes, and I'll hopefully find a screen recorder that works, because this is gonna get a little bit annoying. So yeah, that right there is our B-47 as of today, June 26, 2020. And just a quick update. I love making these videos, honestly. So, did we talk about these right here? I don't think so. Next video I'll probably talk about livery design. We might have another person on the video also talking, because there's a livery design team, and who knows, maybe Tim will add a coding video, talk about the code, and yeah. And we've had a few people asking about if the project is still going. Yes, it's still going. I've just been inactive for a little bit. I've had other stuff to do, family stuff, but now that I'm back, this will hopefully be sped up in production, because we are late. We were planning to get it done by April, but that didn't happen. And we have an awesome team, and what we need to do is just get together and work, which is what we're planning tonight, whenever Tim goes online, because I believe we're on opposite sides of the world, which makes it hard to be online at the same time. So I usually work really, really late, like 2 a.m. And that's when we get most of the work done. So yeah, just a really quick video on, not really quick, it's already about 7 minutes. So yeah, it's just a video talking about the current model, just showing around, and next time you see this, hopefully it'll have the cockpit and the livery. And from there, all we would have to do is the coding. We do not have any flaps or anything yet. We have not put those in, and mainly waiting for the code to be figured out first. So anyway, just a quick video, and yeah, I don't know how to end videos, honestly. I don't know what to say. So yeah, share this around, I guess, and don't worry, we'll keep working on it, and I guess we'll see you next time. See you later.